Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Dubai Expat YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you the square metal G-Shock GM5600B, which is in my view the best looking metal square G and gives you a lot of value for your money. Before we start, a quick wristwatch check. I am wearing my Casio G-Shock GA2110 today, or let's call it the G-Oak. I bought this watch a few weeks ago, but since then I was still thinking about the classic shape of a G-Shock and that I would need to own a square G as well. So I checked the portfolio and tried many pieces on my wrist. In the end, I found the Metal G squares with full metal bracelets too bulky on my wrist, as the end links are too stiff and expand the lug to lug size quite a lot. Also, those pieces come at some heavy price tags, but I like the quality feeling and design on the other hand. I also had a full resin one in my mind, but thought it would be too utility-like, and I already own the G-Oak made out of the resin. So something a little bit less of the utility design would be nice to wear for casual occasions. So what would be the perfect solution for that? A hybrid model with the comfortable and lightweight resin strap, but a case made out of metal. The first time I tried one of these watches on my wrist, I immediately fall in love with them. They have such a nice high quality case, but do not have the stiff end links and can fit well to smaller wrists. Also, the combination of the materials is really nice. So I ended up buying the GA2110, which just arrived. I purchased this watch on Amazon US, as you can find amazing deals over there for this model. I paid around $170 instead of the $250 you would pay at our G-Shock flagship store in Dubai, and so I said I rather save some bucks and order it online. I will put you the Amazon link into the description in case you are planning to get this model as well. By that you can also support the channel, as it is an Amazon partner link. Let's start with the unboxing and remove all the packaging. The outer cardboard box contains the manual for the module. The watch includes the module 3229, which is the basic Casio G-Shock module. It has the 4 key functions that are timekeeping mode, alarm mode, countdown timer and the stopwatch mode. This is the lower end model, but gives you every basic feature. The accuracy of the watch is plus minus 15 seconds a month, and the battery should last for around 2 years. Then we find an aluminium G-Shock box inside the cardboard packaging. The warranty card and the warranty regulations. The watch comes with 1 year warranty, which I feel like should be at least extended to 2 years. But maybe they do so because of the battery life, and by that too many complaints would arise otherwise. Nothing filled out on the warranty cards as usual if you order via Amazon. And the watch wrapped in a plastic bag. The hang tag, Casio GM5600B-3 to be precise, and a retail price of $220. As said, you will get it cheaper on Amazon US. Let's remove the hang tag and all stickers. And here it is, the most beautiful metal square G-Shock in my view. I love the utility green color of the watch strap, combined to the black shiny case and the camo green dots surrounding the display. A stainless steel case back that shows us the water resistance of 200 meters. A quick release mechanism on the strap. And now let's check the weight of the watch. It comes at 71 grams. And let's measure the dimensions. The watch is 12.8 millimeters thick. Has a lug-to-lug width of 48 millimeters. A case width of 43 millimeters. And only considering the bezel width is 35 millimeters. The strap starts at 25 millimeters and tapers down to 20 millimeters. So overall, very nice dimensions for a G-Shock that can also be worn on medium-sized wrists. Let's check the functions now. We have first of all the timekeeping mode, then the alarm setting mode, the timer and the stopwatch. Everything is pretty easy to set or to use. If you own any Casio watch already, you will immediately know how to operate the different features. And here it is next to my G-Shock. Even though both watches have the same colors, their appearance is completely different. As I love this color scheme, I think both watches add great value to my watch collection, and I'm very happy to own both. I mean, one is the completely new design G-Shock with this, let's say royal oak shape on the bezel. And the other one has the classic square G-Shock design, but both in my favorite color scheme, so I think this is amazing and a great value for my collection. Let's put it on my 6.5-inch wrist. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. So what is my conclusion now? I think this watch gives you best bang for the buck, as it comes in such a high quality case, but still keeps the old resin flair via the watch strap. By that, it also fits to smaller wrists compared to the full metal versions and wears very comfortable. The color combination looks amazing and fits very well to sporty urban outfits. The module is only the base version, but to be honest guys, what else do you need for a G-Shock? For me, this watch is more of a nice accessory for different outfits with a great look. If I want to use a G-Shock for sports or intensive outdoor activities, I would always go with the full resin ones. And maybe with those watches you could be in need of more functionalities. But even for those activities, I would not really know what they should add to a watch. So in my view, there is no need to put in a higher base module and raise the price by that. The great affordability, the high quality metal case, the super cool color scheme, which is in my view the best one that Casio offers, and the upgraded strap with quick release for future strap changes, and all of that together for only $170 makes this the perfect package in my opinion. Last but not least, let me show you the display backlight. And some more wrist shots at our pool. So what do you think, guys? Is this the best affordable Square G? Let me know in the comments, and hopefully see you soon in another video on my YouTube channel. Until then, stay healthy and bye bye.